Hello and welcome to Streams of Wealth. In this video I will show you Bitcoin scalping strategy. It is very simple to understand, however, as always, you need to backtest this. You need to train with it. You need to understand it, and then when you are confident in what you are doing, you can think about trading with it. You can see a lot of videos, a lot of hype about bitcoins. You think you will make millions, you are waiting for the price to move upside, to skyrocket, but make no mistake, a lot of people lost a lot of money because they are overhyped, they don't know what they are doing. They are just following someone, thinking that it will go up or down. Yes, you can make a lot of money, but not if you don't know what you are doing. Yes, you can make a lot of money even if you don't know what you are doing, if you do right thing at the right time, but if you want to trade it, then you better learn how to trade it. So, for this strategy, I am using 1 hour time frame. Yes, it can be used on lower time frames, but I will show it to you on 1 hour. So first let's wait, or let's not wait, let's find some setup that is a perfect example about this method. Yes, we are on 1 hour, so let's see, and I want to show you some perfect setup and explain it to you so you understand it. So I will then backtest it, go on some random point in time and explain it to you more in depth. But now I want to show you some nice setup, and so, for example, this one. Oh, wait. I probably found out some even better. I just want to have it very clear. So, what you want to see, and by the way, what I will show you, you can catch very nice moves, very big moves with small stop losses, and if the trade or if the setup is the right one, then you are you would be very confident that the stop loss would hold. This is not some random placing stop loss. I will tell you exactly where to put your stop loss using this strategy, and if it's the right setup, it will hold no matter what. So first, what you are waiting for. Yes, you may scalp it. You may be thinking that I was waiting a lot to find some setup, but I see just from this what I am now looking at, I see about 4 setups. So what you are waiting for is for the price to make some strong move to the upside or to the downside. It does not matter. So this move, the best is if the move break previous area where the price is reacting, or where there is some resistance or support, basically, or just the price is, this is the area that the market is reacting. So this is what you want to see. Then you want to see that we have a gap here, meaning that the price did not come back to retest it. If you see this, that the price did not come back to retest it, then you are looking for last sell before the buy. Last sell before the buy. So this black candle is the last sell before this strong buy that breaks this previous structure. If you see this setup, then you can just put your pending order and wait for the market to retest it and continue to the other side. So exactly this. Now, why did the price come back to this? Do you think it is just a random? Do you think it is just random? No, it's not random. It come back, look, tap it, because this is the last sell before the buy. So we fill this gap and continue to the other side. So this is what I'm looking for. And as you can see, we are creating a lot. We created here. We have a strong buy. We came back to this, tap it and continue up. What do we have here? We have this buy, we came back, continue up. What do we have here? Again. So you will find a lot of setups. If you want to catch these big moves, then it's better to wait for some better setups. But even these small setups, you may catch them again. Boom, boom. But of course, this you may want, if you watch it, to sell it. So always wait for perfect setup. So I will go at some random point and show you how to do it when you trade it live, or as much live as possible here. So I'm waiting for some strong buy or sell. Well, that is nice. That is nice, and this is exactly what I'm looking for. What a coincidence. So this strong buy break this area. We have this last sell before this big strong buy. So at this point I will buy it if the price come back here. If the price come back here, then I will buy it. Where to put your stop loss? If this is the right setup, then this last candle, this last sell will hold no matter what. If this is the right setup, it will hold. So you may put your stop loss just below it. So to enter, you will enter on the wick. So here on this wick you will enter. Stop loss is below. So let's see. Oh, so we as you can see here it still did not come back to fill it. So now what do we have? Well, so now we are about 1 to 2. Your stop loss is now to break even. So this is the risk-free trade. You could collect some profits already, let the rest run, and at this point you can target these highs. So let's see. And yes, we just tap it about 1 to 7. So these are the moves you may catch. Again, if this is the right setup, it will hold no matter what. If it's not the right setup, it will not hold and break it and continue down. So this was a perfect, nice setup. So let's wait for another one. And yes, you may use it on 5 minutes even, but I like to use it on 1 hour and show you how to do it on 1 hour. So let's wait, and again, but this is what? This is nothing. So if I change, yes, so we have here so I would take this. This is a last sell before the buy, at least on 1 hour. So on 30 minutes it was here, so I will take this. We also break these, so it's similar like this previous one. So let's see. So I will just let it be and wait for some new setups. So again, all I'm waiting for is for some strong sell, strong buy. Then I want to see a gap, and I will enter where there is a last sell before the buy or last buy before the sell. So yeah, we have it here. We have it here. Again, as you can see, a strong buy before the sell. Didn't I? Wait, I forgot if this is not the setup I was showing to you at the beginning. I don't know, but again, it did work very nicely. Again, no coincidence. This is not coincidence. That is why you will train it. You will discover that for yourself. Again, we tap it and continue to the upside. So this was for 1 hour. The same is on 5 minutes. So let's see on 5 minutes what do we have on 5 minutes. So let's find out. Well, we have this strong buy. We break all of this, and what do you see? What do you see? This is a last sell before the buy. The price came exactly to this. Stops would be just below, because if it's the right, it will hold it. About 1 to 4 again. On 5 minutes, you want to always wait for some really nice setup, perfect setup. So let's go on 5 minutes and let's wait. And do we have something here? No. Well, so this is nice. As you can see, this is a last sell before this strong buy, with also there is also a gap. The price did not come back, so if it's the right one, it will hold. I like this. So let's wait. Well, crazy. It is still valid because the price still did not come back, but we have also a new setups. So now the price is coming back, and on 5 minutes, as you can see, the candles are pretty crazy. It's jumping like crazy, so that's why I don't like to trade on 5 minutes. For example, different pairs, it's more clean on 5 minutes. Bitcoin, as you can see, these candlesticks are very crazy. That is why I like to use just 1 hour for this. Yes, this was a nice buy. So if I would take it, I would take this last sell before these buys, and again it worked, as you can see, tap. But it was not that clean at this point, but yes, it was good because you can see a strong buy. So this was nice. So let's wait for some, and again, look at it. We have this sell, and then we have this gap, or the price opened above, so I just don't like it on 5 minutes, because look here, the candle jumping somewhere, it's like, I just don't like it on 5 minutes. So yes, it is working on 5 minutes, but let's use that 1 hour, because on 1 hour, as you can see, it's clean. You can clearly see what is going on. So wait, I did not take it. This was good, but this is another setup here. As you can see, strong buy. That this was also a nice trade. So a lot, and here, you know, even you can even get these smalls if you see that the price. If you see that the price break, you can see the previous structure, it break it. If you see this last sell before the buy, so break of the previous market structure resistance, strong buy that did not come back to retest it, then even this is what can you catch some small moves. Let's see. And again 1 to 1.5, so, and again look at it, just tap it and it is moving up. Look at it. So yes, all you now need to do, you have now a nice strategy. All you need to do is to train with it, backtest it. As you can see, it is working very well. Yes, it will not hold always. That is why you need to train it, to train your eyes to see the perfect setup, to see how it moves, to learn how this pair moves, and then you can train it, because you can catch very nice moves. Plus, you don't need to think about where to put your stop losses. You will always put your stop losses that last sell before the buy, last buy before the sell. That is where you put your stop loss. So let's do some more. So all I'm waiting for is a, well, this is nice, but as you can see at this point we break it, we have a nice move, but as you can see the price did come back, touch the wick. So this is invalid. There have to be gap. The price need not to go back, or there have to be gap that was not filled. Something like this. You know, it was not filled. Yes, and we are now here where we were previously. So let's continue. So let's catch some small moves. Hey, this was a nice. Why didn't I take it? Because I'm too fast on this replay mode. But yes, you can just catch these smaller moves. You don't need to wait for these big moves, you know, wait. You can catch just some intraday moves. The most important part is for this candle to break some previous structure, to create a gap, and then you can take it on that last sell before the buy. For example, here at this point this was a nice move, but as you can see the candle went down, touch this last sell before the buy, so this is invalid. Or not invalid, but I would not take it here because this was already filled. But this is still a gap that the market will go down, but I don't want to make it that complicated. And this is nice, but I think I already showed this. Yes, so this was nice. And work it. Let's go on 4 hour, and let's go back and see if it's working on 4 hour. So 4 hour candles. Again the same, and yes, this is nice. So again, what do you have? The price went up, then you can see this last sell before this strong buy. We break these previous resistance levels, so we can take it. Pending order is set to this wick. The stops is below. If this is the correct one, then it will hold. It's still valid. Oh, what do you have? What do we have again? Look at it. I could be already 1 to 4. So is this coincidence? No, it is not. The price, the market, it is doing this all the time. You just need to be on that right setup, and that's it. Look, we could also be 1 to 4 risk to reward. It just tap it and reject. That's it. Ooh, and what happened on 4 hour? Crazy. Crazy. So I think that it's enough for this video. Again, you want to see some strong buy that break previous resistance, and then you are waiting for this gap to be filled by going back, retest it, and continue to the upside. So this is a very nice Bitcoin strategy, Bitcoin scalping strategy. You can use it, train with it, backtest it. Again, do not just go and trade with it like a crazy. You need to be confident in what you are doing. I spent a lot of time on backtesting it, so I know what is the good setup, what is the worst setup, or what may not work, what will most likely work, or what will work. That is why you need to backtest it. You need to train with it. So if you don't understand something about this, I think it's simple, but if you do not understand, then comment below this video, I can answer you. If you are interested in some other strategies, I have similar cool strategies on this channel that are again very easy to understand, very simple, but again you need to train with them, backtest them. So that's it for this video. If you want me to do or explain something, or you have some questions relating to forex trading, you want me to do some video, let me know down in comment section below. And that is for this video. All the best to you, to everyone, and that's it for this video. Alright, so goodbye.